What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Got a knife you're all going to want to see. Got everything kind of opened up, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's my first knife to check out from Berg Blades. I was wanting to check out their Mini Sweeney, but I just didn't get a chance. I was going to buy one, but I didn't have the money at the time, so this right here will be a happy substitute. Cool little box, I like that. Established 2013 from Arizona. We got the Berg Blade Tick, titanium bead blast, marble carbon fiber inlay, S90V. I like S90V. Then you got belt satin, 27 of 30. Oh, okay. Check it out. Oh, got some stickers. Oh no, that's the oh, that's not a sticker. Oh wait, no, there is a sticker. Hold on. Let's check this out real quick. That's cool. I like that. I like the flannel. Oh, there's another one. Hold on. They're stuck together. You got the, there you go. Kind of cool. Cool. And you got your card of authenticity. I always have problems saying that. Authenticity. Production tick. Titanium. See a little signature right there. Little John Hancock. Now let's check out what we really want to see. Okay, I'll fit those stickers back in later after I'm done struggling. Ooh. Pretty excited. All right. I love that inlay. That looks so nice. Got on both sides. Super nice. Okay, so I was wondering if that was going to work. Yeah, it works. The fuller works. That's nice too. It opens up pretty daggone smooth. Not bad. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be too. That's nice. I like that. Good size. Let's kind of clean up the blade a little bit. There we go. All right, so S90V right there. It's on this side. You got your little Berg blades right there, little insignia. Oh, okay, that's cool. I like that. What is? So you got a little cutout on the scales for that little right there, for the rear flipper. So it's cut out a little bit for it around the edges. I wonder why. I don't know. Huh. Kind of curious about that. Like, what's the reasoning for that? Besides, like, just look. It looks cool, don't get me wrong. I don't know why. I like the way it looks. But, I don't know. I like that there's jimping on the scales as well as the blade. That's cool. I think that's a good little touch right there. Not bad. Not overly, like, aggressive and not, smooth. Feels pretty good overall, though. Love the blade, like, just the way it looks. The blade shape. Just the way it's the brush or the satin lines are going both ways. Obviously, you got right there belt satin, and then you have it going that way. That's nice. Looks good. I love the fuller too. Fuller looks great. It opens up buttery though too. I like the way it sounds. No, I can't get my thumb there to do that. I was trying to open it up with my thumb a little bit. Maybe, yeah, you can open it farther out. That works. There you go. Well, maybe, hold on. Let me see if my fingers were pushing on. So yeah, you just got to keep your fingers off the frame lock. Obviously, then you can kind of pull it up. It's a little easier just to do it right here. So you can slow roll it with your thumb. Reverse flick. There you go. It opens nice. It just looks nice overall. Titanium pocket clip, pretty nice. There you go. 27 to 30 again right there. Oh, there you go. Sorry, I was looking at it through the... I didn't look at the camera. So I was just looking at it myself, telling you guys, oh, there it is. Oh, no, you ain't seeing it, are you? 27 to 30. Backspacer is kind of cool. A little angled right there, a little different. Don't really see a lot like that. Usually they're cut off all the way across and then like just a block. That's kind of cool, a little different. I wonder why he called it the tick. I'm not quite sure about that. But it looks nice though. Let's get the other side. Super nice. Like it. Like I said, I like the jimping. I like the jimping on the rear flipper tab too. It's kind of dirty though. Yeah, this isn't mine, just so you guys know. Um, Coming from the pass around group. I don't know what that is, but now it is beautiful. Again, we're good now. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'll show you it now. um, Not too bad. It's really just perfect for it. Like you can get you. It's aggressive though, but it's aggressive where you're gonna flick it open and that's it. It's not gonna tear your finger up. Obviously, I like that though. I kind of like the way the texture, the jimping on the scales are also, like we're just flipping it open. I don't know why. Oh, that's cool though. It also lines up with the actual on the blade too. So it all lines up perfect. That's nice. That's cool when companies do that. Like they add that extra little eyeball right there to make it look better. You know, aesthetically pleasing. Because if I think it would have been goofy looking at like the lines are all jacked up from the blade to the scales. I think it would have been a little goofy looking, but that's cool. I like when they add that little bit of eye to it. It is skeletonized a little bit on the inside. There you can see it right there. I wonder how. Probably this more weighs a little bit. So I'm saying it's at least 3. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it feels nice though. I'm sure this would be just a great, just everyday carry. Like it's almost like one you don't want to like use like obviously to tear up. Like it's just aesthetically pleasing. That yeah, you cut some tape, a little bit of stuff like that, maybe some boxes, stuff like that. But it's just kind of like nice to look at. Now I know out there people are gonna be like, if you don't use it, you gotta use your knives. You know what? When you get so many knives, I'm not gonna use them all. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have my ones I'm gonna use to cut the crap out of stuff. I'm gonna have my ones I use to cut tape, cardboard, and then some I'm just not gonna really use a whole lot at all, except maybe carry. I'll carry them, and if I need to cut like something small with them, I'll do it then. But yeah, I got my users, and then I got my ones I like to look at. And would be honestly one I like to look at more than anything. It just looks nice. I love the inlay. It just looks good. That's all I really got though. I'm telling you, I'll get a final review on this thing, get you all the information. But this thing is nice. This is a nice knife, and I am very impressed with it. It makes me definitely want to. Like I saw a mini Sweeney for sale on Blade Binge. I might have to pick it up now just to check it out because I think it was pretty cheap too. It was like only $275 for the Arctic Blue. Now that's the only thing. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color, but I just think it didn't really pop to me. Like it popped, but not like the other ones did. So I don't know. I might get it. I might not. We'll just have to see. But yeah, that's all I really got though. I'll get you guys a final review with all the information out there shortly. But super nice. I like it. Get you one if you can. I don't know if they're sold out or not. I know they probably went quick though. They usually do. So I don't know for sure. But that's all I got. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions already, just leave it down in the comment section. Thanks.